Hello. And here you can see I done my construction. Here you can see the line I given 12 and neutral, okay. And you can see here 18 is NO and 16 is NC, and 16 is NC and 15 is for line, okay. And it is given to my load one lamp 1, and NC I give to my NC means 16 pin I give to my lamp 2, okay. And second is for neutral is common for the both the lamp A and B, okay. I given here you can see I short those and give the neutral for both the lamp, okay. And right now I am going to show you how to set the time and date as you require for your application, okay. And right now it have a inbuilt battery, okay. Right now time is I am going to reset. First I have to push the button of reset. It is going to reset, okay. Today is a Tuesday, okay. First I have to set the Tuesday. Here you can see the Wednesday, but press this button and press D, okay. Here you can see Tuesday is set. Right now time is 1 AM, so 1 I set, okay. And minute is 5, so I'm going to set on 5, okay. Press this and set date, press this and set this, press this and press this hour, and press this and press this for minute, okay. You can also discriminate the time, means if you by mistake you more time more minute, you can decrement on. I set the AM, okay. I'm going to normally 24 hour, okay. And here PR is program, you can reset your program, okay. Here you can do 7-day program first, okay. If you have to reset all the program, you have to press the reset button, okay. And right now I'm going to set the program and I will show you how to set the program, okay. First program 1, okay. Timer on. Right now time, what is my time is 1:05, okay. I am setting the program for 1:07, okay. 1:07 का program रहेगा, okay. And yes, 1 second, it's not yes. And day normally whole week, okay, whole day. And I'm going to have a 1 minute. I'm going to set on it, okay. Or off delay and off hour 1:09, okay. I'm setting on 9. Lamp 1 will glow on 8 and off and off till 9, okay. Off on 9, okay. 1 minute, okay. And it will continue glow lamp 2, okay. And another timer hour 1, it will start on 10, okay, and stop at 11, okay. I set my program, okay. Program 3 I am not writing, okay. Stop here, okay. 7, okay. I'm going to switch off. Here you can see it's right now timer is off, means NC is glow. Here you can see my line is on, okay, for 16, okay. When it will be 8, it will glow lamp 1 and stop the lab 2. Okay, it's working. Okay, here you can see the line on this. Okay, and it is nothing, it's off. Okay, here 15 is line. Okay, it's very easy to construct and do your program. Okay, it will off on 9, it's off, and it will on 9. Okay, you watch this. It's very easy actually. I'm working on some project with the help of this. Let's see, time is not now. Yes, it's will on, it's off, and now 9. Okay, I think you understand what the concept are in this timer, digital timer switch. Okay, now it's very easy and very good actually. I love this product. Okay, and you can see your program by pressing this button here. 1 8 on, 9 off, 10 on, 11 off. Okay, go back. It's very friendly actually. I love this product. It will on, this lamp one will on 10, and it will off this on the time of 10. Okay, wait and see this. You can make more program. It have a limitation of 25 actually. Okay, 25 on and off time program. Here you can see on the manual. Okay, okay, and it will off on 11. Okay, this lamp one. See this, time is running. Yes, done. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you friend.